it's a well-known fact today that more and more enterprises are storing, processing, and extracting value from data in different forms and sizes. And the big data platforms that support these structured and unstructured data will continue to rise. However, market is demanding that these platforms not only be able to govern the data and security issues more efficiently, but also how they empower the business community with more of a self-service capabilities. So let's take a look at what are the top trends that will drive all technology investments in big data in 2019. First, variety will drive all big data investments. We define big data as 3 V's: high volume, high velocity, and high variety. While all the 3 V's are growing, variety is the one which is getting major impact on all the technology investments as enterprises seek to integrate more data sources. For instance, from JSON to nested types in other databases like Rational, NoSQL, to a non-flat like Avro, Parquet, and XML, data formats are multiplying and connectors are becoming crucial. Enterprises are trying to seek the platforms that are able to provide direct connectivity to these disparate data sources. Second, proliferation of data lakes. Let's draw an analogy to a man-made reservoir. It's like building a dam. You build clusters of data. You put water into the dam, you put data into the clusters. You start using the water for multiple things like generating electricity, drinking. You start using the data for doing predictive analytics, machine learning, cybersecurity. These self-service data lake platforms will gain deeper recognition as a tool for harnessing the big data assets. 3. Architecture matures to reject one-size-fits-all framework. Hadoop is no longer a batch processing platform for the data science use cases. Over the years, it has evolved itself into a multi-purpose engine doing ad hoc analysis and operational reporting, the likes of being done by traditional data warehouses. And enterprises today are responding and evolving to these hybrid needs by pursuing use case specific architecture design that depends upon factors like personas, volumes, frequency of access, speed of the data, level of aggregation before committing to a data strategy. Hence, the flexibility of these architectures will ultimately drive the technology choices. Fourth, Spark and machine learning lights up the big data. Apache Spark has becoming the most favored platform of choice for the enterprises. Most data architects prefer Spark over incumbent MapReduce, which is batch oriented and doesn't lend itself to interactive applications or real-time stream processing. Similarly, opening up machine learning to the masses by the leading tech players, especially Microsoft Azure, thanks to its beginners' friendliness and easy integration with existing Microsoft platforms, has actually led to the creation of more models and applications generating petabytes of data. As machine learns and the systems get smart, all eyes will be on the self-service data platforms to see how they make this data approachable to the end users. 5. Self-service data prep goes mainstream. Today, making Hadoop data accessible to the business community is one of the main challenges of our time. And business users want to accelerate further the time of preparing the data for analysis. Today, agile self-service data prep tools will not only allow Hadoop data to be prepared at source, but will also make the data available as snapshots for faster and easy exploration. And we have seen a lot of innovation in this space with leading enterprises making their ways like Ultrex. And lastly, the convergence of IoT, cloud, and big data all coming together will create multiple opportunities for self-service analytics that needs to be watched for in 2019.